Hi, how are you all? This is Nisha Tripathi and welcome to my channel Ashi Nisha Trip Vlog. Hope you all like my last video of Shimla. Today I am again here with my new vlog of Prayagraj, which is little different from my other vlogs because I'll try to connect it with my subject geography. Yeah, because I am a geography net qualified teacher also. And I love traveling so much. Apart of that, I like singing, dancing, painting and cooking also. So, in this vlog, as a geography teacher and as a traveler also, I'll try to show you some environmental issues like pollution and how nature decrease pollution by itself, and also what is the changes in environment like water clarity and pollution decreasing level in air, which I saw at the bank of Ganga Yamuna river at Prayagraj after this lockdown. So let me share my vlog of Prayagraj, which I created by some of my old pics and videos of Ganga Yamuna river and some of my videos which I shoot after this lockdown. So please appreciate this effort and forgive my mistakes if any. Hope you all like this video of Prayagraj. So if you like my vlog, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel Ashi Nisha Trip Vlog. Hope you all like my video of Prayagraj. So don't waste time anymore. Let's see the vlog of Prayagraj. Hi, welcome to my hometown and a holy place of Triveni Prayagraj. Today I will going to share some videos before lockdown and after lockdown. So let's see. As you can see, we were boating in river Yamuna and there were some Siberian birds who comes from Siberia every year. This video I shoot in winter season. We offer some grain for these birds. We were enjoying a lot. Now, this video was at the time of Magh Mela, which we shoot at night. As you can see here, this place is decorated by lights all over. And it looks beautiful. Now let's see some pics of Arail Ghat, which I take at Magh Mela time. These pics are Ganga Yamuna river banks, which I take at night. So now let's see some pics and videos after this lockdown. As we all know that this time is very bad for whole world because of corona crisis. But at this time, some good things also done by nature at this lockdown period. Like when we reach here after lockdown, I found that atmosphere of this place little different. Clarity of water and atmosphere is like we can see opposite side bank clearly, which we wasn't saw clearly before lockdown. Some birds like sparrow, crow also we watch in a large amount, which we earlier saw rarely. Because of I am a geography teacher, so naturally I saw geography and environmental geography in all things which I saw. As I studied in geography, that some geographers said that nature is more powerful than human being. So today I feel it is fair enough. I feel it is an example for us that when environment elements going to disbalance, then environment balance it by itself. So as we can see, air, water of river all are getting clean and pure by itself, and the percentage of pollution is getting decreased by nature at this lockdown period. So when we reach here, we feel very peaceful environment there. As you can see, the opposite side of bank we can see clearly, and water of river is getting clean and pure, and place is very neat and tidy. I follow this lockdown rule with my mask. All boats were empty. No one is here, and place is very peaceful, as you can see. So I think this is a lesson for us that nature is very powerful, and we should make an effort for save it. There are all boats were empty. So let's see. The scene of river bank, Ganga Yamuna. We see only birds there. No one is there. All over. Only peace. Sorry for that. Some bad people doing bad work, which is not good for this holy place. I don't like these types of people who do this type of thing in that type of holy places. Shame on that people. A crow was sitting on a bamboo we shoot it. So now it's time to go back home. So let's go. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment my channel Ashi Nisha Trip Vlog. This is Meenakshi Temple, which is near of Hanumanji Temple. So let's go for home. Bye. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel Ashi Nisha Trip Vlog. Till then, bye.